Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with IBM Cloud Data, full guide step by step clearly. To register with IBM Cloud Data, start by navigating to the IBM Cloud website. In the top right corner, click on the Sign Up button. You will be redirected to the registration page. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and a strong password. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from IBM Cloud. Click on the verification link provided in that email. Once verified, return to the IBM Cloud website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to the IBM Cloud dashboard. To explore IBM Cloud Data Services, click on the catalog in the top navigation bar. In the search bar, type Cloud Data to find available services. Choose the specific cloud data service you are interested in. Carefully review the service details and pricing information. Click on the Create or Get Started button for the selected service. Follow the prompts to configure your service options. This may include selecting your resource group, region, and pricing plan. Once you've set your preferences, click on Create to finalize your setup. After the service is provisioned, you will receive a notification. You can now access your cloud data service through the dashboard. Explore the settings and features available to optimize your experience. Take advantage of IBM Cloud's support resources for any questions. You are now ready to start utilizing IBM Cloud Data effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.